Hi guys, we're back again. It's Tim from Crowdlays, and today we're going to make a wedding cake topper. Okay, so you notice we've got this new little table here. We're just trying to adjust our little set here to help it look a little bit better and make some nicer videos. So let us know what you think of that in the comments. So today for our wedding cake topper, we're going to start off with a little piece of board like this one here. We're going to make this nice little wooden cake topper that goes on top of just a nice little cream cake that's got a few little flowers and stuff around it. It's going to look really awesome, so make sure you stay to the end to see how it all looks. All right, thank you. Hey guys, welcome to the Crowdlays YouTube channel. This is where we make videos about CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Inkscape, Fusion 360, and even sometimes OpenSCAD. For those who like to make this stuff personal or anything that just make files ready for laser engraving, for sublimation, or even 3D printing, this is the perfect channel to watch, because each week what we do is we make some exciting and amazing video content. So always stay tuned. Make sure that you do watch to the end, because sometimes we have some more little things at the end of it just to show you what's coming up next and different things. So keep an eye on that, and maybe even we might even be able to create your personalized stuff, especially if you leave a comment down below, or if you can even make a business out of it. So some of the ideas that we put across, yeah, you might better take that. So make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, click that little bell icon down there, and that way you're always updated with our latest videos. Okay, so the materials that we're going to need is going to be a piece of wood, just depending on the type of cake topper that you like. You could either use MDF or a little bit of plywood type thing. This one here is actually a veneered wood, so it's actually MDF with nice veneer on top of it. So this one here is like a birch on top of it. You get a few other types. It's got walnut or a few other different types, but it just depends on the style of cake topper that you want, or if you want to paint it later, I'd probably choose MDF. Otherwise, you'd use a nicer wood to keep that wood finish. So we can use the piece of wood. And then the other thing is going to be is a laser engraver. You can have any sort of laser engraver that you like, but our one is actually, what we're using today is the Rayjet. It's built by Trotec. That's going to be it. Other than that, just draw your design, and the design is going to be done we're doing it in CorelDRAW, but you can do that in Inkscape or Illustrator or any program of choice. Hey guys, wait around. Make sure you don't click off. Don't go anywhere. You need to stay to the end. If you don't stay to the end, you're not going to be able to see what it looks like on that cake. So we've got a whole photo of a cake, and the cake topper sitting on top of it. It's going to look amazing. Stay to the end. There you go, guys. We've done it all. That's the engraving. We've got this little double spike thing going on. You can feel the tension of that. Everything's fairly well held together and really nicely, so we haven't made anything a little bit too small for the wood. So only there's little thin sections you've got to worry about in there, but there's not much hanging off of that one, and everything else is supported pretty well. So there you go, that'll go straight in the cake and look really pretty. So right at the very end, we're going to have a photo of it actually in the cake, and you'll see how it's going to look. There you go. So if you've got any questions on how to make these things, make sure you put a comment down below, so then that way we can let you know whatever it is you need to know. And if you want any more instructional videos, we can show you a bit more on how to use Corel Draw or Inkscape or something else just to make one of these. We've got a few questions that we need to do. So some of our next videos, we might end up making some about actually the process of us putting them together and making them again. But this one is a bit of just a run through, just to overall show our process and how we do it. That we just chuck it up on the screen. There you go, lasering it nice and quick. But if you want to slow it right down and go step by step, we can do those ones. Just let us know in the comments what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that bell icon down the bottom down there to make sure you're notified of any more videos coming out, especially if we do a bit more detailed stuff. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe and keep making.